Hello friends, welcome to learn Coreldraw tutorial. Coreldraw is used for drawing purpose. With the help of Coreldraw, you can design logo as well as you can also design brochure, visiting card. If you have interest in drawing, then Coreldraw is the best software for drawing. It is mostly used for drawing purpose. Before Coreldraw, we know how to make drawing with the computerized drawing with the help of paintbrush. But as compared to Coreldraw, paintbrush has so many limitations. And Coreldraw is a advanced software for drawing. It is a very advanced software, very simple software for drawing. If you know drawing, then also you can use Coreldraw. If you don't know drawing, then also you can use Coreldraw. Okay, this is a very simple and useful software. Whenever you open Coreldraw, then this is the interface of Coreldraw. Here we use X6 version. Okay, you can use any other version. If you open the Coreldraw, then there is option of new document. If you click on new document, then you will get this interface. Okay, this is page. Okay, the size of this page is letter size, that is 8.5 by 11. Okay, this is a letter size. You can change the size with the help of this page layout options. You can take A4 legal, or you can also set a custom size. You can also decrease increase size with the help of this page dimensions. Okay, you can also take portrait or landscape page. Okay, in case of portrait and landscape, height and width get swapped. You can also choose the unit. You can choose millimeter, centimeter, picas, like this. Okay, this is your page. Okay, but we know that when you actually see this page, then this page is like a full size notebook. Then your first task, if you want to create anything on this page, then your first task is to zoom this page. Click on zoom tool. This is toolbox. Here we have a number of tools. Okay, if you go to this small arrow, then it will show you more tools or more sub options. Whenever you say if you know how to use Coreldraw, then you have to know all these tools. Okay, then the first task is the shortcut of zoom is Z. Either you can press Z or you can click on this toolbox, click on page. Here is the zoom. Okay, like this you can zoom the document. This is pick tool. You can use pick tool for normal working, that is if you want to move the drawing, if you want to resize the drawing, in that case you can use pick tool. Now here is color palette. You can insert color palette as per your choice. Default palette RGB CMYK, like this you can insert a number of palettes. Here two palettes are on RGB and default palette. Okay, default palette is I think CMYK. Okay, here you easily go here and choose the number of palettes you want. Suppose I choose this palette, and this palette is inserted. If you don't want this palette, then click on Pantone, click on RGB. Now here is only one palette. Like this you can insert or increase or decrease number of palettes. Okay, after that here is the ruler. This ruler is very useful because Coreldraw is uh, as I have told, Coreldraw is used for brochure or visiting card. You can also make a advertisement in the Coreldraw. Then for that purpose you have to make your drawing within the particular size. Therefore this ruler is very useful. It has horizontal as well as vertical ruler. If you don't want this ruler, then you go to view and click on rulers, then it will get disappear. Again click on ruler, it will get appear. Okay, This is page, this is color palette, this is toolbox, this one is ruler, and here is the status bar. Okay, this is status bar. If I click any tool, then it will show you the simple help of that tool. After that, this palette shows the number of pages. Here we have one page. You can on the with the help of this small button, you can insert a number of pages. Okay, here I use page one. Now, this is properties of page, because here we have only one object in front of us, that is page. Therefore, it will show the property of page. If I draw one object, then it will show the property of this object. If I want to type anything, then it will show the property of selected object. Now it will show the property of text. Like this, you can check the properties. Okay, now how to start drawing. Before going to start drawing, I want to I would like to show you how to make drawing with the help of semi ready-made shapes. Okay, after that, one by one step we make our own drawing. Okay, then here is the rectangle. Choose rectangle. The shortcut key is F6. You can simply draw here rectangle. Okay, here is the color filling process is very simple, too simple. Simply click on object, take the pick tool, and click on color. Okay, directly color is filled. Now, with the help of rectangle tool is used only to draw the rectangle. Now the other task is performed by using the pick tool. You can simply resize the shape with the help of pick tool, as well as you can also increase decrease the width, as well as height, and as and resize. But if suppose I copy paste this object, change the color, and I press shift and then want to resize the width, let us see what happens. It will resize the width from both sides. Same for height, it will resize the height from both sides. Okay, again I press Ctrl C for copy. This object is selected, and then I press Ctrl V for paste. The object is pasted at the same location where your first copied object selected. Now I will go the color and then press the shift and want to resize the object, then it will resize from both sides, from all sides. Okay, like this you can make a drawing with the help of ready-made tool. Now here is the circle. You can also draw the circle outside, and then if you want to put this inside the this rectangle, then simply use the pick tool, select the circle, and keep here. Okay, you can also set a circle. Okay, but this is only rectangle and circle. You can also rotate this. Simply click here. One more, one more. First, select the object and again click on the same object. Then you will find the rotation options. Then you can also rotate this shape. Suppose let us give this shape. This is our shape. Like this, with the help of shift button, you can change the size of shape. Like this, you can also draw the shape with the help of this button. Okay. Okay. Now I want to select these three shape. Therefore, with the help of pick tool, you have to select like this. Only these three shapes are inside the bounding box. The blue shape is outside the bounding box. The whole shape is not inside the bounding box. If you want to select any type of object, then you have to set that object inside a whole object inside the bounding box. Now here I again use copy, paste, click here, again copy, paste, click here, okay, again paste, paste, paste. We have some ready-made tools also to set your object like this, but here uh, this is a starting of our Coreldraw, therefore we have to do it manually. Okay, one more object, paste. This is not at a full accurate. Okay, now create a circle, place the circle here, fill any color. Okay, like this we make a drawing as per your logic. Now I press the shift and increase the size of circle. Then circle is also copy paste. Again press the shift and decrease the size of circle. Okay, like this you make a drawing for only simple practicing. Okay, here you have circle. Here also we make some drawing. Suppose here I use copy paste. Now here you have a mirror buttons. Suppose I take the horizontal mirror of this shape. Okay, there is no difference because shape, the beginning and end of shape is same. Again copy paste it. This is center point. Again select this, copy paste, and take a vertical mirror. This is a vertical mirror. Again I use here one shape. Okay, and if you want to create more attractive, here give here different colors. You can also click here to show the more colors. Okay, like this, with the help of this image shop, you can make drawing with the by using your own logic. You can also edit shape. Suppose we want to edit this shape slightly. Suppose here is shape tool is available to edit the shape, but this uh, edit the shape slightly. If we want to full edit this shape, then we will see in next sessions. Okay, let us undo this. Suppose we want to then stare. like this. You can design there, and you can also hide this. Now this object is we want this object in front of all object. Then simply click here, right click, give the order in front of the page. Okay, like this you can create any object as per the your logic. Just practice these shapes, ready-made shapes. Okay, here we use only circle and rectangle, but if you go to here basic shape tool, simply click here, then you will get more shapes here. You want this shape, you can use this shape. Okay, here is option to edit the shape. With the help of this cursor you can edit the shape. Let us zoom it. If I want to some more thing in this shape, suppose I take here one circle, fill it with black color, then copy paste. You can also move the object with the help of arrow keys. Don't use the mouse, use the arrow key if you want the shape on the same line. Okay, now after that, suppose again let us go to ready-made shapes. We have this shape, but there is no way to edit. Let us take this shape. Okay, this is here is the way to edit. Now again go here, you can go here order back of the page. As per your choice, as per your logic, you can create a shape. Okay, uh, now here is the shape. Like this, with the help of this image shape you can create a drawing. Try this, because if you easily handle this image shape, then you can you will find easy to draw your own shape and edit that shape. Therefore, for first lecture it is, I think it is sufficient. Apply your own logic, use your some ready-made shapes, fill the color, and you can with the help of some edit options you can create any shape. With the help you can make any drawing, simple drawing, with the help of these shapes. Okay, now this all for this lecture. We will continue in next lecture. Thank you.